Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see sound, vibration and mood mode. Just to activate the silent mode, we just should switch sound to the mood. And that's it. Now silent mode successfully activated. If you wanna just turn it off and tap it, activate the sound mode again, just switch the mood to sound. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel and you'll see here the sound icon. Just click here twice to this icon and now we'll just successfully activated the silent mode. You can also turn it off by click here once again on this mode icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.